I don't know, did you guys vote? Which one's calling your name? I'm so curious. If you like the mustard and poppy or the berry, oh my gosh, I just mixed them up. The berry and, no, poppy and blush and poppy, or berry and mustard. Is one calling your name? They're just so pretty. I don't know how you're going to decide. Okay, and then finally this one. This is the kaleidoscope. Happy Days. This is all things happy. I wanted to call this reminded me of my quilting days when I was on bed rest. It almost looks like a patchwork quilt. It's so pretty. But again, it was just a way that we wanted to bring in a bunch of different color and patterns, so you really can throw this on with anything. And actually, that mannequin has such a fabulous look. That's kind of what Sophia had on, the denim skirt. That bag is a sneak peek. It's coming. Just a white tee, and then this adds your pop of color. Okay, so you really don't get, yes, someone said you can turn these into swimsuit cover-ups if you want to. You want to just fold it. I did this on my cruise last year. Okay, you can fold it in half. You could do something like that. Or, like I said, you're really just going to get the blend of really fun, happy colors coming through. Again, very, very lightweight, nice and sheer, feels really good along the neck, drapes and lays really well. You're going to get the blend of just those pop happy days. Happy, do we call it happy days? Can we put it next to the hibiscus dress? Yes. Look at how pretty. I wanted to style it with this, but the girls trumped me. This one has it's got pinks and oranges and blacks and navies and blues, and look at that. Ooh, that color looks good. That looks like the pink dress. The dress looks like the right color. Everyone look. So it's pulling out those pinks, giving that pop of color, and just really fun summery vibes. Okay? Yes, Jan, the bag's coming. It's a sneak peek. The mannequin's showing it off back there. Okay, is that it? We have a pop. Oh, no, we have a model. Yes. Okay, so you just do neutral under this. Let the scarf be your pop of color, your fun, happy days going into spring, summer, whatever, okay? Let that scarf really show that off, and just do neutral. So she's just got the chambray, pair of jeans, black shirt. Yep. Okay? Easy. Easy peasy. Lauren, I know. I take our mannequins dressing for inspiration. So like I said, let this really be your pop. You can even do this, okay? Because it's got pinks and yellows and teals and blues and, okay? Gives you a fun spring. We need the spring weather, okay? Look at that. Even do that. Easy peasy. All right, any other questions? I'm going to sign off. Which floral scarf looks better with the hibiscus dress? I would suggest the mustard and berry, because I feel like the mustard and berry looks the best with it, because these are berry flowers. There's more pink. There's blush in the other one, but there's more of this deeper, this hibiscus thing that I feel like lends a little bit better. I mean, you could do both. This has more orange under it. Undertones are in it, not under it. So you could do it, but I love pulling out the berry flowers. You could do that. You have the blush in here, which helps with the pink. I'd choose the berry mustard though. And then of course this one looks great. This one has that hot pink in it. Right there. Ooh, right there. So this one really pulls the fun in that out. Okay, any other questions? Okay, all right, you guys, I'm signing off. I hope you have a great, I was gonna say Friday because I'm used to Fridays. It's not Friday. Have a great rest of your week, and like I said, if we get the shipment of loggers and leggings that was supposed to be here last week, if that does come today, tomorrow or Friday, I will launch it to the VIP page, okay? So make sure you're on a VIP page if you want your chance at getting those. Yes, you guys, my sandals are a sneak. Look at that. They are Grace and Lace. You see? They are fabulous. Comes in 2 colors. They come later this spring. But we've been wearing the heck out of them because, well, if you stayed on this long, you get the sneak. They are squishy and they feel fabulous. I'm wearing them like crazy. Okay. Okay. What?
The announcement.
Oh, one quick announcement. Pop-up BOGO, buy any new item and get 25% off one sale item. So if you're adding a new item to your cart, check out the BOGO sale because you get 25% off a sale item. Okay, so the shop, the BOGO tab on the site. Okay, that's it. We will see you guys. We'll have a launch next week. There will be some, like I said, okay, there might be a launch if those loggers come in, and then there will be another launch probably late next week. Okay, have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you then. Bye.